guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to create an amazing e-commerce website, WordPress e-commerce website in just 5 minutes. So let's start. First of all, we need to install theme. So I'm going to Appearance Themes, then click on Add New. Don't worry, I will provide you a theme if you want. So I'm going to upload a theme. So that my theme location is desktop, and I'm going to add this theme, Shoptimizer. Just click on Install. So our theme is installed, so we are going to click on Activate. So we are going to install all the plugins, necessary plugins. So first of all, I am going to give you a look what it looks like currently. Okay, here is my website. It's totally empty. So now continue install all the plugins. Okay, our plugin is installing. Okay, just wait few seconds. Almost done, see to go. Want to go after this. Okay, I think we have done. Just few more seconds. So our plugin install is complete. So go to plugin installer. We have to activate these plugins. Just click on Activate. Okay, here is our website. It's totally empty. So just refresh your WordPress dashboard. Skip setup store. Cancel this and click on Appearance Import Demo Product. Now click on Import Demo Product. Wait just few seconds. And also one more thing, this thing is super fast. Actually, it's best for e-commerce websites. So you can use it if you want to use it. If you want to make your e-commerce website faster, so I recommend you this theme. Actually, I'm not promoting anything officially, or neither I'm doing affiliate marketing. So it's totally my personal opinion. Okay, our input is done. So now let's refresh the homepage. Okay, here is our total. Here is our complete e-commerce website in just 5 minutes. I hope guys will like this. So if you want more videos like this, so make sure you subscribe my channel, and also I'm going to make lots of video about WordPress. So stay connected with me, and thank you guys.